Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about iPhone storage and how you're gonna check storage summary on iPhone. An iPhone storage summary shows the amount of available storage on an iPhone and how much storage is used by each app. It also provides recommendations for optimizing storage. The more storage your device has, the more music, apps, photos, and other content you can store on that device. If your device storage is full or almost full, you might get an alert. So, to view your iPhone's storage summary, you have to go to settings. As you can see on the screens, we are already in settings app. Now, go to general option. After entering into this section, choose iPhone storage. Yeah, here you'll get to see all the summary of your storage. Now the storage summary will show the available storage at the top of the screen. As you can see, it will also list installed apps and how much storage each app uses. So that is how you are going to check storage summary on iPhone. Thanks for watching.